Can Bitcoin be pulled from the trenches as per the thumbnail for a little bit more upwards momentum, or are we going to continue the momentum here to the downside? Today, I will share with you those key levels that I'm currently watching on the price of Bitcoin, so stay tuned until the very end to not miss out on any alpha. Remember, the three exchanges that I use to do my daily trading is Bluffin, where there's no KYC required. You also qualify for the biggest sign-up bonus. Bybit, you get a 30k bonus and also that 20% fee reduction when you're trading, and also exclusive to 𝗞𝗄𝗍 is that $20,000 bonus when you use the link here to sign up. Also currently still the exchange with the lowest fees in the market. Go sign up today and come trade with me. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin here on the 1 hour time frame, okay, we are still inside this massive potential bull flag that is still holding at the moment. Yesterday we had this massive momentum here to the upside and it looked like momentum wanted to continue, but then we had a fake out. Okay, we broke back down, and usually when you get acceptance back below the trend, okay, it confirms momentum back to the downside. And as you can see, when I just take the scribble here out the way, what happened is we got a pierce through the level over here, okay? We got acceptance back inside the level. We retested it as resistance, not managing to break through. There was also 𝗬𝗍𝗶 CVD, local 𝗬𝗍𝗶 CVD building up in this area over here, and we got the momentum here to the downside. Now what I would like to see here on the price of Bitcoin inside of this massive bull flag is we either going to come back down to the bottom, okay, where we lose this higher low structure over here and we break these lows over here. We've already tapped that naked point of control, and yesterday during my live stream I also spoke about this naked point of control where you can see we tapped this level to perfection. Okay, during my live stream last night I said we're most likely going to get a bounce in the zone. We tapped the level to perfection and we got momentum here to the upside. Okay, a little bit further down we still have an untapped daily level, so it won't be surprising to me if we come back down an SFP from this level, still making a higher low, and then I'm just keeping an eye on this momentum trend line that I have here to the downside for a potential breakout for higher levels. Okay, so let me just take the scribble out. This is the structure that I'm currently focusing on, is to say that either we're going to get the breakout without losing this higher low structure, okay, where we're still forming higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and potentially there is a potential for a breakout here to the upside. Also, if we do lose this higher low structure, I'm also looking at this structure. We have a low, we have a higher high, higher high, higher low compared to this low, also a higher high, still a higher low. So for now, this structure is still bullish because we still have higher highs, higher lows, higher low, higher high, and what you would want to see over here is a successful breakout and for us to go and create another higher high over here, finally leaving the bull flag for potential retest and continuation to the upside. Also, a little bit further down, okay, we have to always look at both sides of the coins, is that if this higher low structure, this mini higher low structure here does not hold, okay, and we do get an SFP here from the daily level, it does look like we could find, okay, perhaps a swing failure pattern, another rejection, and a continuation here to the downside. What I like about this daily level at $57,511 is that it also has confluence with the bottom of the bull flag. And usually when you are trending inside of a flag structure, what you would like to see is you tap the top, you tap the bottom, you've now had a fake out to the top, and most likely you're going to come down here in confluence with this daily level, also tap the bottom of the flag for continued momentum back to the upside, where we will see if we get a successful breakout or yet again another rejection, where the waves are now becoming smaller. As you can see, the waves, large wave, smaller wave, smaller wave, smaller wave, and basically trading the range until there's no more range. Also, when I draw a fixed range profile of this entire range that we've been in, and yes, we are seeing the formation of a bull flag, but it's also a range where you basically, okay, get deviation above the range, you go and tap the bottom. You get a deviation back below, you go up, okay, you tap the bottom again, you go tap the top. We had a deviation above, and what you can see is here is the current point of control. And at the moment, okay, this is where we're currently getting the price consolidation. So if we lose the point of control, there's definitely the possibility to come back to the bottom of the range because we've already now had the deviation on top. You go and you get the deviation at the bottom, your SFP from these lows together with the daily level, also tapping the bottom of the range, tracking this momentum for potential breakout to go and claim the top of the range once again. Also, when I look at the liquidity heat map, okay, and I go here onto liquidity, here you can see round about the 57,700 or let's say 57,600 level, there's a lot of liquidity lying to the downside. 57,600, and you can also see that 57,600 is more or less in confluence with this daily level and also the bottom of this bull flag over here. Thank you so much for watching. This morning in our Legends trading community, myself and Andy did speak about all the possible scenarios and trading setups and levels that we are watching in a lot more detail. If you'd like to be part of that trading community, first link down in the description, you will see this is where you join our Legends trading community. We do have a free section where some alpha gets dropped on a daily basis, but myself and Andy spend most of our time here inside the paid community where we do daily live trading analysis. And then until the next one, cheers for now.